Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Goodness Ocheche Emmanuel Orifa. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make egg pap for your baby. Please stay tuned. This is pap, so I am mixing it well. Make sure you mix it very well without any lumps. It is well mixed. You can use the quantity of your choice. So now next is to break your egg into the pap. Now let's get into the kitchen to cook it. So guys, let us light our gas burner. I prefer to use this smallest gas burner because it has the lowest flame. You will be able to control the flame. So let us light it and put our first of all, I want you to note something. I usually use warm water, so I already have warm water here. So I'll put it now, then I'll add a little warm water to it. Then you have to keep stirring non-stop. You have to keep stirring, don't even wait for a second. Just keep stirring and stirring. I prefer to use this stainless plate because it makes it easier for me to warm it later on if there's any leftover. After feeding my baby, if there's any leftover, it's easier for me to just cover it with the cover here and warm it. So guys, this is how I make egg pap for my baby. Keep stirring. Don't forget to keep stirring. If you don't have this smallest burner in your gas, you can always use the big one, but make sure you reduce the flame to the lowest. Please take notes. Make sure you reduce the flame if you are using a bigger burner like this one. Make sure you reduce the flame to the lowest. So then you have to keep stirring and stirring until it gets thicker. If you don't stir it continuously, it's going to have lumps. You'll be seeing the egg white lumps in it. So hence why you need to keep stirring it non-stop. So I'm waiting for the egg pap to cool down before I serve my baby. So I know as you are watching this video, you are wondering why my kitchen is looking like this. The kitchen walls are like this. I just want to let you know that we recently moved into our own house. So we still have some work to do. So that's why it's looking like this. And don't worry, very soon you are going to see my kitchen sparkling. So I have dished some of it into my baby's plates. See how yummy it looks. So I'll be adding milk now. So I use naan. I use naan for my baby. So I'll be adding 2 scoops of milk. So here it is. I've added 2 scoops of milk. I'll be serving my baby pretty soon. So guys, here is our delicious Egg-Pap. Try it for your baby. It's very nice. You can see how smooth it is. More reason why you need to always reduce your flame. See it? Yummy. He's hungry. He's hungry. So So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, kindly subscribe, like, drop comments, and also share to your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye bye.